Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's raining on my side here. I hope it is sunny and lovely where you are. These type of weathers are the type of weathers where you just want to sleep and lay down and drink some coffee and watch movies. But unfortunately for me, I am up and I am busy cleaning as usual. So, with that being said, I just want to say Happy New Year's to you guys. I wish you all health, wealth, prosperity in everything that you guys are going to do in 2024, okay? So, for the year of 2024, I really want to be more organized. Um, in my household, more organized in my personal life. I just want to make sure that, I'm keeping track of everything. In 2023, I feel like I really slacked in on a lot of things, but for 2024, with the strength of the Lord, of course, to help me stay organized and stay on top of things and just not slacking on a lot of things. So, since I'm starting this journey of being more organized, the first thing I'm going to start organizing is the bottom of my sink. The bottom of my sink, like I have not touched this area in a long time. Like I always, you have products in plastic bags and things of that nature. You just throw in there. But I've really, really slacked on organizing the bottom of my sink. Everything is everywhere. Sometimes you can't even find certain products because it's so deep in there you can't see it. So my first step to organizing is going to start with my sink, under my sink. So I have taken everything out. Of course, you see that it is very filthy. A lot of products have spilled, a lot of just dead insects. It was not pleasing, and the liner that I put there is also filthy as well. So I'm going to go ahead and change it as well. So first thing I'm going to do is just wipe off the extra dust, products, and dead insects that were under there. Just remove everything before I give it a nice clean wipe down with my all-purpose product. So I'm going to go ahead and use my LA's Totally Awesome all-purpose spray and just give it a good spray down and wipe down the extra dusts and dirt that was left under my sink. So for the bottom of my sink, I will be lining it with this Grip Prints liners. So with this liners, you can find it at Target, Amazon, and Walmart. So those three places, if you can find it either or, I'm pretty sure one of those stores should have it. So for the liners, it's pretty easy. You just lay it down, and wherever your sink stops, that's where you're gonna basically cut it. So I'm gonna use 2 for the bottom of my sinks, and excuse my ashy hands, like I'm touching chemicals and cleaning, so my hands look like that. And of course, for under the sink, I will have to have an under the sink organizer. So I got this from Amazon as well. They have it in white and they have it in black. So I got it in black. And of course, I will be linking the link in the description box. So with this organizers, it's really self-explanatory. It's easy to put together. So it just has numbers on it. You just have to follow the pictures and the numbers and you'll be all set. So it comes in 2, 1 to sit on either side of the sink. So these organizers do come with hooks if you want to hang stuff on there, and it also has this thing that looks like a soap bin, or you can put your sponges or whatever you need to put in there. It's also removable, and the bottom does slide in and out to have easy access to your products. These organizers work out so well for me because my pipes and my garbage disposal unit is right in the middle, so it doesn't give me much space. So having it both sit on each side and it fits really perfectly. So now what I'm going to do is basically just put everything back where it belongs. I set everything um, in my organizers. Of course, the big items will go at the bottom and the very little ones will go on top. So I decided to add motion sensor lights as well underneath my sink. These motion sensor lights don't use batteries. You actually charge them. So whenever they are low, you just charge them instead of buying batteries all the time, which I thought was a really cool thing. So the backs of this light is magnetic as well. You stick that magnetic on the wall, and the light also has a magnetic which puts it together, so it makes it easy to remove. And here you go, guys. I'm done working underneath my sink. I feel like I did a pretty good job organizing everything and putting everything together. So I am hoping that I keep this way this year of 2024. So I'm going to keep an eye on it and make sure I'm really on top of this organization journey that I'm on. So here is how it's looking. Thank you guys for always tuning into my channel. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're on this organizational journey like I am for 2024, comment down below and let's have that conversation and see how we can stay on top of things for 2024.